Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to learn how to make your money work for you? Hey there, welcome to our video today. We'll be talking about how to make money on the stock exchange. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to learn how to make your money work for you? Are you one of the 70% of Americans who don't have a spare $1,000 in your bank account? Well, if you managed to save up $1K, congratulations. But what do you do with that money? Sure, you could blow it on some useless gadget or clothing that will never see the light of day. Or you could put that cash to work for you and start building your wealth. Now, you might think that more than $1K is needed to make real investments, but you'd be surprised at the options available to you. Let's say you have $10,000 to invest. You can put it in a savings account and earn less than 1% interest. Or you could invest it in the stock market and potentially double or triple your money in a matter of years. Another option is to buy government bonds, where you loan money to the government and get paid back with interest. In comparison, it's a bit more complicated than a savings account. But what about the stock market or real estate? Can you invest $1K there? The answer is yes. You can buy plenty of stocks with $1K, and you don't need to be a millionaire to start investing in real estate either. The point is, there are many ways to invest your money and make it work for you. Don't let a lack of knowledge keep you from building your wealth. With a little research and a willingness to take some risk, you can turn your $1K into something more significant. But wait, you might be thinking the stock market is risky and complicated. Well, not anymore. In this video, we'll break down the stock market for you and show you how to invest safely and smartly. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how to make your money work for you and achieve financial freedom. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. If you're new to investing in the stock market, you might have a ton of questions racing through your mind. Questions like, where do you even begin? What tactics should you use? Which areas should you focus on? And what investments in stocks should you consider? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the fascinating stock exchange concept, which acts as a vast global marketplace for trading securities. To give you an idea of the scale, the stock market sees a whopping 60 trillion euros in annual trade. That's more than the value of all goods and services produced in the world economy. Securities, which are mainly in the form of shares representing rights to assets, dominate this market. Now, you might be wondering, why do people trade shares? Well, the value of a share corresponds to the worth of the company it represents. For example, let's say Facebook comes up with a new and lucrative business model that boosts its profits. This will lead to the company's value and the value of its shares to increase. As a result, people who own those shares can sell them at a higher price and make a profit. Another example could be Tesla. Suppose Tesla announces a new innovative product that is well received by the public. In that case, it could lead to an increase in demand for Tesla's products, which will increase its revenue and, ultimately, its value. This could cause the price of Tesla shares to go up, and investors who own those shares could sell them at a profit. Similarly, suppose a company like Coca-Cola, which is known for its stable and consistent earnings, continues to perform well. In that case, its shares price may not fluctuate as much as other companies. This makes it a popular choice for investors who are looking for a more secure investment with a lower risk profile. Are you looking to earn money in the stock market? Well, value investing could be the strategy for you. It's like finding a great deal on a quality item when you go shopping, except you're shopping for stocks. Here are 4 key steps to value investing. Step 1. Understand the business before you invest. Just like you wouldn't buy a local business without understanding how it operates, you should stick to investing in businesses you're capable of understanding. Your expertise may vary, so focus on businesses you know well. Step 2. Look for businesses with a competitive edge. Invest in companies with advantages that are difficult for competitors to replicate, such as unique products or infrastructure. Step 3. Find businesses with talented and honest management. Managers are the ones running the show, so you want to invest in companies with good leaders who will make smart decisions. Step 4. Pay a price that makes sense for the long term. Don't overpay for a stock just because it's popular. Look for a fair or discounted price that offers long-term value. Some great examples of value stocks include Berkshire Hathaway, Micron, Alibaba, Meta, Heritage Growth, and Occidental Petroleum. So if you want to earn money through value investing, start by understanding the business, seeking a competitive edge, finding good management, and paying a fair price. There are many investment options available out there, but the stock market is one that provides a potential for higher returns than most other investments. Now, before we get into it, let's talk about the risk involved. If you're willing to take on some risk for the potential of higher returns, Consider investing in an index fund that tracks a group of companies rather than just one. By doing so, you're spreading your investment across many companies, reducing the risk of losing everything if one company falls. The S&P 500 index is a great example of this, having had an average return rate of around 10% since the 1920s. So, how can you invest in an index fund? You can purchase one through a brokerage firm or app, such as Vanguard 500 Index Fund, Invesco's QQQ, or Fidelity's Zero Total Market Index Fund. Now, if you're new to investing, the whole process can seem overwhelming. But with apps such as Robinhood and Webull, investing has become more accessible. Just remember that a stock is essentially a business, so it's crucial to do your research and understand the company you're investing in. But let's be real, the stock market can be a roller coaster ride. One year, everything seems to be going great and you're making a ton of money. And the next year, there's a recession and most of your stocks are down. It's important to remember that the market is unpredictable and can be difficult to predict. But by having a game plan and staying in control, you can avoid making emotional decisions that could end up hurting your investments. So, what's your game plan? If the market rises, will you sell for higher prices or hold on to your stocks? What will you do if there's a recession and other investors start to panic? What if there's another lockdown and businesses start to close? Answering these questions will help you be better prepared for whatever the market might throw at you. To be a successful investor, you must think like a business owner and ask yourself critical questions. Pay attention to consumer behavior. Learn what your friends are buying and identify which products and businesses are benefiting from them. Focus on learning about business instead of getting caught up in irrelevant debates or politics. By doing so, not only can you increase your net worth, but you'll also gain valuable insights that can be applied to all areas of life. So there you have it, folks. With a little knowledge and planning, you can make some serious money on the stock exchange. Good luck and happy investing. It's important to remember that investing can be a fun game, but it's crucial to start small and play wisely. Even if it means starting with passive investing in index funds, dip your feet in and start learning the game. Don't get overwhelmed by all the information out there, but don't give up on making your first investment either. Waiting too long can result in inflation eating away at your savings and leaving you with less wealth and freedom in the long run. So that's it for today's video on making money on the stock exchange. Remember, investing in the stock market can greatly increase your wealth, but it also comes with risk. By doing your research, understanding the companies you're investing in, and thinking like a business owner, you can make informed decisions that can lead to a long-term success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on personal finance and investing. And don't forget to check out our other videos on the screen for even more helpful tips and insights.